Welcome to this comprehensive guide on how to add a search bar to Wix in 2025. Adding a search bar to your Wix website is a great way to enhance user experience and make it easier for visitors to find what they are looking for. First, log into your Wix account and access your website editor. Click on the Add button on the top bar and select More from the drop-down menu. In the search bar, type search and select the search bar option from the results. Drag and drop the search bar element to your desired location on the page. Typically at the top, you can customize the search bar by clicking on it and using the settings panel on the right. Here you can change the placeholder text, button text, and design settings to match your website's style. To connect the search bar to your website's content, click on the Connect to Content button and select the pages and collections you want to include in the search results. You can also exclude specific pages or sections from the search results. To further customize the search results, click on the settings icon and select Search Settings. Here you can adjust the search algorithm, result display, and other advanced settings to fine-tune the search experience. Best practices for adding a search bar to your Wix website include making sure it is prominent and easily accessible, customizing the design to match your website's style, and regularly testing and optimizing the search function to ensure it is working correctly. By following these steps and tips, you can easily add a search bar to your Wix website and improve the overall user experience for your visitors. Remember to keep your search bar simple, intuitive, and highly visible to ensure maximum usability and effectiveness.